Good morning, everybody. Today is Miata Day, and I just got in the CX-5. We're gonna head out to Sherbrooke, and we're picking up the car, and that's gonna be super cool. Okay guys, so we just arrived in Sherbrooke because I went to pick it up all the way in Sherbrooke. And how to put this? It's ours. There it is. There it is. MX-5 Miata. You know, the one that winks up and down. Obviously it's raining, so not gonna leave them out for humidity reasons. But yeah, this is the little roadster. So one thing I noticed, the wipers need to already be changed. I planned everything. I came with wipers, so I'm gonna be able to see stuff on the way back. Here's the peek inside. Look at this dash. It's insane. This is not original, by the way. This was added on. Honestly, it's pretty clean. It has the speakers and the headsets, and that's really cool. Apparently they're not plugged though, so I have to figure out how to plug that. In terms of things that, you know, will change right away, not much. First step is to do a lot of maintenance, a massive detailing of it. You know, just maybe removing some stickers. There's a sticker on the windshield right there. I'm not a big fan of that. Yeah, that has got to go. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna head back to Montreal now, and I'll see you when we get there. Guys, I just realized one thing incredible that this car has is a real key. It has a key. That's how old it is. Yeah, it's super cool. Level of happiness right now, maybe 1,000, something like that. It's gonna be a super cool project car. So we're on the way back from Sherbrooke. We're going 100. I can barely hear anything. It seems like it's going smooth. I'll keep you posted when we get there. Pit stop for lunch. We got classique jambon beurre with a view on the Miata. We finally made it home. Miata is home. Success, and it stopped raining. So that's a good sign. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna try and find some spot in the garage. Hopefully it fits. Made it in the garage. Let's see if it fits. It's not bad. Not bad. But I forgot that I have to take out that fridge all the way there. So I'm gonna bring it back out, get out the fridge, and then finish my day. And that's it. So as you know, this was my first video, and we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff on that car. And I'm gonna try and record every single part of it and share it with everyone. So Once again, I'm Leo. This is the Miata project, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!